The thing I like the most about this gym is the people that work here. The trainers are excellent. I love the classes. It's a really nice family kind of environment. I've been coming to this gym for about 9 years now. Yep, I've even got my mom to join the Silver Sneakers program, and I bring my daughter with me occasionally, and she likes to work out here too. The thing that makes this gym different is that it's a smaller environment, and the people that come here really care about each other. We even socialize together. Every once in a while we call gym night out, and the people get together and hang out, and it makes it nice, and it makes you want to come to the gym to see your friends and work out with them. So it's more than just working out. It's really a nice, close-knit community of people that come here. Right now I'm doing a lot of the kettlebell classes with Rob, who's really awesome, and Teddy. I've also taken Carrie's Pilates classes and spin classes, and those are great too. I've also done Zumba and group power.